everybody, hi, welcome. So happy you chose to spend a little bit of your day with me and my furry sidekicks. Wyatt's over here, Zena's down here. I'm Laura. If you're new to my channel, if you're returning, huge thank you for the amazing support. Hope you hit that subscribe if you haven't already, because I am this close to 10,000 subscribers, which has been a personal milestone for a really long time. So thank you to all of you who have hit that subscribe and have helped me get closer and closer to a major milestone. I so appreciate it. Today I have for you my August Glossybox. I love Glossybox. This is a monthly beauty box. I feel it's in the affordable range because at its most expensive it is $21 a month. If you pay month by month, it gets cheaper if you buy 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, 12 months at a time. 12 months takes it down to $18 a month, so it gets cheaper the more that you purchase. And I love that this has a wide variety, so it's not just skincare, it's not just hair care, it's not just makeup. They mix it up into an awesome collection each and every month. This one is called The Art of Beauty. Let's see at the top. Love the decor. It does come in an outer box, which I ripped to smithereens to get it out. And I absolutely adore this. I'm a little late getting you August box because of all the things that have been going on. So I'm not sure if it's still available or not, but if you use the code ART16, you can get in with the classic box for this month. If the August box is not available, if it is, grab it. But you can at least get the classic box to get started if you want to try out this subscription, and you'll be set up for September. So right inside it says, "Hi Beautiful," like has the lipstick and the makeup brush. Their boxes are like the hard kind that you can use to package things in or store things in if you'd like to. So it always comes with a little pamphlet that tells you a little bit about the items inside your box as well. And it says, "Hey Glossy, we're so excited to share this month's box with you. As always, each month features 5 beauty products worth over $75. And it says, code Hey Glossy will get your followers a surprise at the checkout. So remember that code Hey Glossy, HEYGLOSSY, will get your followers a surprise at checkout. So you might get a surprise if you sign up if you use that code. So I'm excited. I'll put that down below as well. I don't know what the surprise is, but I hope it's a good one. I'm super excited. All right, so for this month, it says, when our daily lives can feel like we're running on autopilot, it's great to take a moment to simply let go and allow our creative juices to flow. This month's box, inspired by the art of beauty, products that let us step out of our comfort zone and tools that help us feel like a masterpiece. We cannot wait to see what you create. Everything's all in a pretty little bow, and we are just going to get right into it. And if you subscribe to Glossybox, you don't just get the monthly subscription, but you do get exclusive beauty offers. You get priority access to the limited edition boxes, which I've shared on my channel before. They have amazing extra edition boxes like a Black Friday box, the Summer Beauty box, the Mother's Day box. They have holiday collections, like the Advent calendar. So you do get discounts and exclusive access to those as well. They also have an amazing skincare line, so just keep that in mind. All right, so first up, let's see, we have something from let's see what this says. Kors. It's the Apothecary Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. It says, all great art needs a beautiful canvas, and your skin is the most important canvas of them all. This nourishing and smoothing formula contains vitamin C and rose extracts to brighten, plump, and reduce dark spots and leave skin looking more even. Leave it on overnight and wake up looking glowing and hydrated. So this, I believe, is a deluxe size. It is vitamin Super C. And the MSRP on this is $25 and the full size is $50. It says the tip is to apply a nickel-sized amount to the face and neck each night, avoiding the eye area. All right, next up. This looks like a full size. This is Authentic Beauty Concept Beachy Texture Spray. And this is 8.4 ounces. This is a full size. The MSRP is $20, and it says whether you're creating a laid back summer beachy wave or an on-trend braided updo, texture is key. Shake up the lightweight, non-crunchy spray and spritz through the roots and lengths of your hair before blow drying or styling, and the organic sugar and sea salt ingredients will give your hair volume, shape, and better grip. All right. Next, we have got something from, this is a Tangle Teaser. Professional detangling hairbrush, wet or dry. I love the size of this because this is packable. So easy for travel. This is obviously a full size. The MSRP is $9.99. It says it's the original mini detangling brush. Small in size, but big on detangling. The original brush from Tangle Teaser is a firm favorite amongst the Glossybox team. And this is smaller version is a perfect for your purse or travel bag. No pulling or tugging. It's super gentle and glides through wet or dry hair. So I really like this. I put extra leave-in conditioner in my hair like all the time just to make sure that my hair doesn't tangle. But that's really cool. It's a nice size. It's like the size of your computer mouse. All right, next, what do we have? A brush. This is a nice one. So this is by Luxy, and this is the 205 Tapered Blending Brush. We love Luxy for their huge range of brush shapes and their pleasing pink and rose, I'm dropping everything, pink and rose gold designs. The 205 is a great all-rounder, ideal for applying and blending out transition colors in your creases or for blending any harsh lines in your eyeshadow look. Plus the synthetic bristles are super easy to clean. This is valued at $15. I like that. Okay, there's more. A palette. So this is the Estate Cosmetics. It's a full size, $30 value. It says Hidden Garden. It is the Hidden Garden Pigment Palette. It says it's time to release your inner artist. Grab your brush and tap into the beautifully rich mattes and shimmer shades. This eyeshadow palette, there's neutral tones you can wear every day to flatter and contour your eyes, but there's also green, purple, and red to create colorful, smoky, and artistic looks. All right, let's check this out. Those are pretty. Those are pretty going into fall, but they're pretty all year round as well. The greens, the purples, very pretty. That's a nice little palette. And it looks like I had one more thing in here, which looks like it was an extra because I already have 5 things. And it says that this was an extra treat. Good Fortune perfume. It's like a little sampler here. So this is by Victor and Rolf. And it says, meet our new perfume obsession. The Good Fortune fragrance was inspired by Victor and Rolf's spiritual glamour hot culture collection, and it's wonderfully feminine and powerful. Top notes are fennel and I'm not able to read this. Is it gentian? Gentian flower, heart of jasmine, and bottom notes of creamy bourbon vanilla. So I can't read anymore because my contacts seem to have, or my eyes seem to have changed, and I've not made it to the doctor with all the things that have gone on. So I am limping through right now. Oh, it smells pretty. And it's a little sample size, another great one for traveling. It smells very pretty. And that's all the things. What did you think? I've always loved the variety in Glossybox, and for $21 a month, I always thought I always feel the value is there. And I love that they throw in an extra treat occasionally. So between the palette, the detangler, the night brightening sleep facial, as well as the brush and the Beachy spray. So I think between all of these items, the variety for this month's box is just as good as all the others. I really enjoyed it. But please comment down below and let me know what you thought about this month's box. I'll put all the information for Glossybox down below in case you would like to give it a try. Please check it out. Let me know. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe for me, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.